So another really useful activity from the 24.4 UiPath release is the Set Runtime Browser, which allows in a few seconds to set the browser to be used on our automations. And so as it says here, we can set the runtime browser once with this activity, and it remains effective until the execution finishes or until another set runtime browser is utilized. And so this, as it says here, simplifies the process of running automation across different browsers, eliminating the need for manual selector configuration and reducing the duplication of testing code. So let's see how it works in practice. So I just created a new project on Studio, and as a requirement to be able to use the set runtime browser activity, we have to have the UiPath .yautomation.activities package on the version 24.4 or above. So by this way we can access the set runtime browser. So let's just use here a couple of use application browser activities. And so I'll just open here, for example, a new tab on Edge and indicate here. And now let's just here on Edge search for another page. Indicate here on this use application browser this page. So by this way, it should open two browser instances on Edge, one on google.com and another on the new tab. So now I'll just close here the browser. And so let's see how it's working. So just to confirm if it opens two browser instances. And it was opened two browser instances. So to be able to see better, so to the browser to not be closed after being opened, let's set the close property to never on both use application browsers. And now let's test the set runtime browser. So let's use it on the beginning. And let's say that we want to use Chrome on our automation. So let's here now run and see what will happen. And as we can see, at this time was used Chrome for both use application browsers. So now let's use another use application browser. And now at this time, so I'll just open here Edge. And now let's say that we want to open on UiPath forum. So let's indicate here. And at this time, let's use another set runtime browser. And at this time to open, for example, on Firefox. And let's see what will happen. So here I'll just set the close to never. So let's just close the browser and run. And as we can see, first was open two browser instances on Edge. So for these two use application browser, but then because we used again the set runtime browser for Firefox, was opened the UiPath forum on the Firefox browser. And so we can see that it's very easy to work with this new activity. And so that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and now subscribe to the channel and enable notifications bell so you don't miss any tutorial released here on this channel.